how to make a video call on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Okay, so first tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone app. In here, you can dial in the phone number or you can select a contact. So for example, if I put in the phone number, you can see there is a video icon right here. If you tap on that, and then it will try to video call the other person. If the other person is not on a video call service, then it will show create and share link. So you can see here, if I tap on this contact, it will allow me to make a video call. And that's it. So here I can make the video call and the other person can then pick up the call to start the video call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.